What's up everybody, Looster here. Today we're still in West Yorkshire for another Trainspott. Today here at Apperley Bridge on the Airedale and Wharfdale Line. Airedale and Wharfdale Line, sorry, said that wrong. The train that has just departed is a Northern Fishbowl known as the Northern Class 333 departs Apperley Bridge with the 10:53 Northern service to Bradford Forster Square from Leeds, which brought me in from Leeds. So yep, not much of a big station this one in West Yorkshire, but you do have the Staggered Platforms, the classic. I've never filmed a station with Staggered Platforms. I think this is a first. There's a first for everything. But yes, nothing much here at Apperley Bridge, but today here at Apperley Bridge you'll be seeing services by Northern and also one LNER train as well. And will it be an Azuma or will it be an Intercity 225? We'll have to find out. You might tell by the thumbnail, but anyways, instead of yapping and having to love my yapping, I shall catch us all when the next train comes here at Apperley Bridge. Now passing through is going to be a Northern Class 158, which is forming the 10:57 Northern service to Carlisle from Leeds via the Settles to Carlisle route. So we have 158 790. Oh yes, love that. I love the wind turbulence off that Northern Class 158, or just any 158 when they zoom through stations. I might as well include the 159 as well. It just looks and sounds so good seeing these trains pass through these small stations with wind turbulence as well. But anyways, that Northern Class 158 passes through Apperley Bridge now with the 10:57 Northern service to Carlisle from Leeds, which will go via the beautiful, scenic Settles to Carlisle route, and including going over the Ribblehead Viaduct. Oh yes, I would love to go on the Settles to Carlisle route one day and just go over the Ribblehead Viaduct. It would just look so good. But yeah, I would love to do the full route as well from Leeds to Carlisle one day. But anyways, as that Northern Class 158 zooms through Apperley Bridge now for Carlisle, I shall see you all when the next train comes here at Leeds. Now passing through is going to be another Northern Class 333 with the 11:03 service to Skipton from Leeds. It was 33300 something. I was not even paying attention at the numbers because I was too focused at something else. Just watching the train. I wasn't even focused on the numbers. But I did see 33300 something. It might have been 001 actually. I don't know. I'll have a little replay and see what it was. But that Northern Class 333 passes through Leeds. It wouldn't have been passing through Leeds. It would have been terminating or stopping at Leeds. And this station is nothing like Leeds. Leeds is a big, massive station. Apperley Bridge, thanks, Looster, with the 11:03 service to Bradford Forster. No, I got that one wrong. I tell a lie there. Skipton from Leeds. Honestly, Lou. Getting things mixed up there, but as that Northern Fishbowl heads to its next stop of I don't know. I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now arriving in is going to be the 11:11 Northern service to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square over on the other platform, the Northern Fishbowl Class 333. This is staggered so it won't come over here. But anyways, this Northern Class Triple D arrives into Apperley Bridge now with the 11:11 Northern service to Leeds, and as this service arrives in now, she'll catch us all when this goes. Now departing is going to be the 11:11 Northern service through to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square with a Northern Fishbowl. Yes, it is a fishbowl. Well, we call these type of trains fishbowls. Class 333, which is just ready to depart now. I think the guard's just locking up. I don't know what the procedures are because these platforms are staggered. But he is ready to go. And this is 333-009 with the 11:11 Northern service to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square. And as that fishbowl heads down the Airedale and Wharfdale Line to its next stop at Kirkstall Forge, I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Apperley Bridge. Now passing through is going to be a doubled up Northern Class 331 with the 11:18 service to Leeds from Skipton, which is about to pass through Apperley Bridge now. Three, 31028 at the front. And 331-007 at the rear. And yes, that 331 passes through Apperley Bridge at speed, and it's not the first time I see these because I see these at home. See these 331s passing through at speed back home as well, not just here. But anyways, this doubled up Northern Class 331 passes through Apperley Bridge now with the 11:18 Northern service to Leeds from Skipton. Is that double civity? But yes, it is. 331s are civities, and 195s, and 196s, and 197s, and 397s, and any other civity are civities. But anyways, as that civity, double civity. Okay, double 331 passes through Apperley Bridge now. Just trying to have some fun here. I shall catch us all when the next train comes on the Airedale and Wharfdale Line here at Apperley Bridge. Not Airedale, Airedale. Now arriving in is going to be the 11:23 Northern service to Bradford Forster Square from Leeds with a singular 3-carriage Class 331 this time, doing the slow stopper runs. And yes, I am happy to say it is 331012, and the reason why I am happy is because this is a unit that followed me. Well, when I say followed me to Yorkshire, because I've seen this unit at Preston the other month, I think. Unless it's just come over here and then goes back. Blah, blah, blah. Probably doing what the Northern 156s are doing now, but it's this Northern Class 331 that one of the units that worked for me in the northwest as well. This is a quick boarding, as it's already now departing. Anyways, 331012 departs Apperley Bridge now with the 1123 Northern Service to Bradford Forster Square from Leeds. Understand Northern Class 331 disappears to its next stop of, what's it called, Shipley? Yes, Shipley. I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Apperley Bridge. Didn't even have a chance to start rolling the camera yet. Anyways, unexpectedly coming through was 158792 for Northern, with the lead 1123 Northern Service to Leeds from Lancaster with a Northern Class 158, a 2-car 158, which has caught me by surprise. Yes, this is started from Lancaster, not Carlisle. This particular service, and I was just checking real-time trains as well to see when this particular service was coming through, and then I just heard it coming. I was like, quick, get the camera out, I'm going to miss the train. Anyways, it was 158792 with all that chaos, and as that sprinter speeds down the Airedale and Wharfdale Line, again, I've messed it up. Airedale and Wharfdale Line. I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Apperley Bridge on the Airedale and Wharfdale Line. And I am sorry for if any Yorkshiremen or women, whatever, or that are watching this video and are offended by my wrong pronunciation. I am terribly sorry. I am not doing this on purpose. We all make mistakes here, and don't we? Anyways, I'll catch us all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be another Northern Class 333 Fishbowl heading off to Shipley. Triple 002. Anyways, 333 passes through Apperley Bridge now with the 1134 Northern Service to Shipley from Leeds. Skipton. Don't know why I was saying Skipley. I'm really getting things on today, aren't I? Skipton with the what's it called? 1134 Northern Service to Skipton. And as that passes through Apperley Bridge now, I shall see us all when the next train comes. Now arriving in over into platform 1 is going to be the 1143 Northern Service to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square with another Northern Class 333 Fishbowl. Coming into Apperley Bridge now with the 1143 Northern Service through to Leeds. Arriving into the other platform over there. The platforms at the station are staggered. And as this Northern Class 333 arrives into Apperley Bridge now, I shall see us all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be the 11:43 Northern service through to Leeds. The Class 333. Ready to go. With the 11:43 Northern service to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square. Now departing is going to be the 11:43 Northern service through to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square with the Northern Class 333 Fishbowl. Which is ready to go as soon as the guard locks up, which I think is about now. And it is 333011 with the 11:43 Northern service to Leeds from Bradford Forster Square. And as that Northern Fishbowl heads down the Airedale And Wharfdale Line to its next stop at Kirstal Forge, I shall catch us all for our next and final train of today here at Apperley Bridge. Now passing through is going to be our final train of today, which will be an LNER Intercity 225 Class 91. I told you we'd see an LNER train today, which will pass through with the 11:47 LNER service from Bradford Forster Square through to London King's Cross. With an Intercity 225 set. Oh yes, I love these. So we have 91,114. And then 82,225 is at the rear with the 11:47 LNER service to London King's Cross from Bradford Forster Square with the Class 91 and 82 Intercity 225 set. And yes, they will be going very soon. So yes, I'm glad I'm seeing what I can. But as them Intercity 225s for LNER pass through Apperley Bridge now, I shall conclude today's video here at Apperley Bridge. If you've all enjoyed, like and subscribe as always. It's just a normal station for me with the normal action and then that as well. There was expected to be a freight train coming through, but we didn't get that today. It'll probably come through as soon as I end this video, most likely. But yes, that's enough of me yapping here at Apperley Bridge. And I am going to go to my next Yorkshire station. But as for me here at Apperley Bridge, I shall catch you all in the next one. Peace out. With the 1414 Fancy West Coast service booked to Newston from Manchester Piccadilly,